salsa cheesy dip. And it's simple. Look, I have the salsa here, store-bought salsa, some cream cheese.
Oh,
I kind of just mix this up, like it's easy. 3 steps, kind of mix it all up, let it all melt down. And my twist is, as I spend so much time in Fieldtrip, as you can see, it's coming along. I have these amazing yuca chips here that we dip them into. And when I'm watching cartoons with my kids, when I'm binge watching movies, this is what I'm in love with right now.
Yes. And I love that it's so few ingredients, JJ, and everyone will make this. Everyone. And what kind of cheese are you adding now?
And then I'm just adding in some 3 cheese blends, so some
Nice.
cheddar, fontina, pepper jack. And then on top of that, I'm a fresh herb connoisseur. So some cilantro with the stems. If you know me, I'm all about the cilantro, herbs with stems. I throw that on top. Mix that up. And look at it. It comes together. It's super cheesy. Look at that pull, Rachel. Look at that pull.
In 2 minutes. Woo! Touchdown.
So easy. And then I just dip it. I just dip the chip.
Oh, shut up. Take a bite. Come on now. Take one for me. Oh, woo!
So easy, so good. My kids love it. We eat it all the time.
JJ, talk to me about your kids. Do you find that if you get them in the kitchen with you, that you can fight that picky eater kind of attitude for children? Look at those beauties. Or do you have one and one? Like, do you have one that loves everything, one that doesn't?
So my kids are always in the kitchen with me all the time. I think as more people have been home virtual learning, you can use the kitchen to teach math. You can use it as a recess time. It gets your kid's mind going. But yeah, both of my children are 2 separate eaters. My daughter Taya is very fruit and vegetable connoisseur. My son is Miles is a meat eater. He's about his steak, and he's a New York City slice kid. Like, he will tell you if it's not good or not. So I believe I've spoiled them in a really bad way, because when they don't like something, I'm quick to make them something else. Like, no, you don't want that? I'll make this for you. So
I admire what you do so much with your kids and with your business. And again, if you are anywhere near New York City, and I will be pretty soon, I'm very excited about that. You can eat at Fieldtrip and literally go anywhere in the world